Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel at Carrog765. If you love classic American cars, timeless design, and real automotive history, then you are in the right place. On this channel we talk about legendary vehicles that shaped the golden era of automobiles. Before we start today's journey, make sure you subscribe to the channel and support at Carrog765 so you never miss a story from the world of classic cars. Today we are talking about a true icon from American automotive history, the 1944 Deluxe Series. This car is not just metal, chrome, and wheels, it is a symbol of style, confidence, and innovation from a time when cars were built with soul. The 1944 Deluxe came at a very important moment in history, just before the world changed forever due to World War II. It represents the peak of pre-war American car design, where beauty and engineering walked together. When you first look at the 1944 Deluxe, the design immediately catches your eye. This was the year Ford refined its look into something smoother, bolder, and more modern than ever before. The front grille is wide and beautifully curved, with horizontal chrome bars that give the car a strong and confident face. Unlike earlier models that had more upright and boxy designs, the 1940 Deluxe feels streamlined and flowing. The headlights are integrated into the fenders, creating a unified and elegant appearance that was very advanced for its time. The body lines of the 1944 Deluxe are soft yet muscular. The long hood, rounded fenders, and gently sloping roofline give the car a balanced and graceful stance. Whether you look at the coupe, sedan, convertible, or station wagon version, each body style carries the same sense of dignity and class. This was a car that looked equally good parked outside a small-town diner or cruising through a big city boulevard. Step inside the 1944 Deluxe and you are transported to a different era. The interior was designed with comfort and style in mind, something that Ford was becoming very good at. The dashboard is symmetrical and clean, with large easy-to-read gauges and tasteful chrome accents. Everything feels solid and well-built, from the steering wheel to the door handles. The seats were wide and comfortable, often upholstered in cloth or leather depending on the trim, and designed to make long drives enjoyable. One thing that really stands out about the 1940 Deluxe interior is how driver-focused it feels for a car of that era. Controls are placed logically, and visibility is excellent thanks to the large windows. This was a car meant to be driven, not just admired. Ford understood that people wanted reliability, comfort, and ease of use, and the Deluxe Series delivered on all those expectations. Under the hood, the 1944 Deluxe offered one of the most legendary engines in automotive history, the Ford Flathead V8. This engine changed everything when it was first introduced, and by 1940 it had become more refined and dependable. The Flathead V8 in the Deluxe produced around 85 horsepower, which may not sound like much today, but at that time it offered smooth power and strong performance for everyday driving. What made the Flathead V8 so special was not just its performance, but its accessibility. Ford made V8 power affordable for the average person, something that was revolutionary. This engine gave the 1944 Deluxe a smooth and confident driving experience, with a distinctive exhaust sound that enthusiasts still love today. It is one of the reasons why this car became so popular with hot rodders and custom builders in later years. Driving the 1944 Deluxe is an experience that connects you to the past. The 3-speed manual transmission, the mechanical feel of the steering, and the suspension setup all remind you that this is a machine from a different time. It does not rush, it glides. The car encourages relaxed cruising rather than aggressive driving. On open roads, the Deluxe feels stable and comfortable, soaking up bumps with ease and offering a surprisingly smooth ride for a pre-war automobile. The Deluxe Series also represented Ford's commitment to offering value. Compared to the standard series, the Deluxe models came with additional chrome trim, better interior materials, and more refined details. These small touches made a big difference and helped Ford attract buyers who wanted something extra without moving into luxury brands. The 1944 Deluxe found the perfect balance between affordability and elegance. Historically, the 1944 Deluxe holds a very special place. It was one of the last civilian cars produced before the United States shifted its industrial power toward the war effort. Many factories that built cars like this soon began producing military vehicles and equipment. Because of this, the 1940 models are often seen as the end of an era, the final expression of carefree American automotive design before wartime restrictions changed everything. Over the decades, the 1944 Deluxe has become a favorite among collectors and enthusiasts. Its timeless design, strong mechanical foundation, and cultural importance make it highly desirable. You will often see beautifully restored examples at classic car shows, as well as customized versions with lowered suspensions, modern engines, and unique paint jobs. The car's design is so well loved that it adapts easily to both original restorations and creative modifications. In movies, photographs, and advertisements, the 1944 Deluxe often represents the classic American dream. It symbolizes freedom, progress, and optimism. When people see this car, it brings back memories of a simpler time, when the open road felt endless and every drive was an adventure. This emotional connection is something that very few cars can achieve, and it is a big reason why the Deluxe series remains legendary. Another reason for its lasting popularity is Ford's massive production numbers and strong parts availability. Even today, restoration parts for the 1944 Deluxe are widely available, making it easier for enthusiasts to bring these cars back to life. This has helped keep the model alive on the roads and in the hearts of car lovers around the world. From a design perspective, many automotive historians consider the 1944 one of the best-looking cars Ford ever made. The proportions are just right, the chrome is tasteful, and the overall shape feels timeless. It does not look outdated or awkward, even by modern standards. Instead, it stands as a reminder that good design never goes out of style. The 1944 Deluxe series is more than just a classic car. It is a piece of history, a work of art, and a symbol of innovation. It tells the story of a company that understood its customers and delivered vehicles that were practical, beautiful, and reliable. It also tells the story of an era when cars were built with character and personality. As we look back at the 1944 Deluxe today, we are reminded of how far the automotive world has come, and also of what has been lost along the way. The simplicity, the craftsmanship, and the emotional connection are things that modern cars often struggle to replicate. That is why classics like this continue to inspire admiration and respect. If you ever get the chance to see a 1944 Deluxe in person, take a moment to appreciate it. Look at the details, listen to the engine, and imagine what it must have felt like to drive one brand new in 1940. It is not just a car, it is a time machine that takes you back to the golden age of American motoring. I hope you enjoyed this detailed appreciation of the 1944 Deluxe series. If you love classic cars like this and want more stories, reviews, and history from the automotive world, don't forget to subscribe to the channel at Carog765. Your support helps the channel grow and brings more classic car content straight to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.